Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric warming trays that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Oster Buffet Server Warming Tray. If you have been looking up warming trays for a while, the name Oster must have popped up. This company promises to bring the best of the best to the table, and their buffet server warming tray lives up to that promise. A temperature control knob allows you to easily set the perfect warming temperature, while an easy-to-see power indicator light illuminates when the heating element is on. This food warmer tray features stay cool side handles to facilitate safe, easy carrying from kitchen to table. The 3 included dome-shaped lids and trap heat and moisture, helping keep your dishes at the desired temperature. Both the pans and lids are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Dome lid measurements: 9.3 inches long, 6 inches wide, 1.4 inches height. Moving on at number 4, we have Chefman Electric Warming Tray. If a good-looking appliance is a must for you along with efficiency, then there is nothing better than the Chefman Electric Warming Tray. At first glance, you are bound to keep staring at its sleek black glass surface sitting atop the silver bottom. The adjustable temperature settings let you adjust the heat from low to high and keep it that way for the entire day. Elegantly styled with a revolutionary, easy-to-clean glass surface. Generously sized, it holds several dishes at once and looks great on any table or buffet. The adjustable temperature control and the fuse safety feature keeps the electric tray from overheating so you can keep your food warm throughout the whole day. You can keep the warmer on low for it to keep food warm all day, or adjust to high to warm your appetizers quickly. Perfect for entertaining the family during the football game on Thanksgiving Day or for everyday use. At number 3, we have Party Essentials 33-piece Party Serving Kit. If you are someone who arranges a lot of huge parties or is involved in professional catering, then they have the perfect deal. The unique part about this set is that you can either keep your food hot or cold. For example, they put in a few ice cubes into the base, and it kept the salad as cool as we wanted it to be. The Party Essentials UPK 33 Serving Kit comes with 33 disposable pieces including serving forks, spoons, and tongs made of polystyrene for rigidity and durability, water pans and food pans for buffet-style serving, gel fuel cans to help keep food warm, and wire chafing racks to hold the food and water pans over the fuel cans. The gel fuel cans contain 190 grams of methanol fuel and burn for approximately 2 hours to help keep food warm. The kit is suitable for serving hot food at parties, barbecues, and other gatherings. At number 2, we have Sterno Foldable Frame Buffet Chafer Set. You can never go wrong with a classic, which is why we included this professional quality chafer set. The complete set includes a couple 2-inch deep food pans, a 4-inch water pan, 2 fuel holders and a fuel holder tray, in addition to the lid and foldable frame that makes it easy to transport. If you want to give your gathering an upscale, professional look, this is the option we'd suggest. This set was designed to handle the needs of professional caterers, while being easy to use for the home cook as well. Sterno Products delivers the most comprehensive line of portable warming, emergency illumination, butane appliances and catering products to the retail market. And finally at number 1, NutriChef Portable Electric Hot Plate. NutriChef's hot plate has everything you could want from a warming tray. It's got a sizable heating area, sleek design, is energy efficient and easy to use. Operation is so simple, in fact, that the plate requires just 5 minutes to preheat the non-stick, tempered glass surface. Once it's up and running, it can heat food up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need to keep it plugged in at all times, though, but that's pretty standard as far as heating trays go. Finally, the model features large cool touch handles that make it easy to carry and move around. The tabletop design resembles a buffet warming hot plate that features sleek stainless steel construction and non-stick, heat-resistant tempered glass. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.